Hello and welcome to the AutoGPT Tutorial Channel. In this video, I will share you how to install AutoGPT and how to use AutoGPT in your local machine. So if you are not familiar with AutoGPT, first you understand AutoGPT is an experimental, open-source Python application that uses GPT-4 to act autonomously. This means that AutoGPT can perform a task with little human intervention and can self-prompt. It has internet access, long-term and short-term memory management, GPT-4 for text generation and file storage and summarization with GPT 3.5. AutoGPT can be used to create full-fledged projects by iterating on its own prompts and building upon them in each iteration too. It can read and write files, browse the web, review the results of its prompts, and combine them with the prompt history. AutoGPT goes beyond traditional language generation tools by incorporating data from multiple sources, including news articles, scientific research papers, and social media feeds. AutoGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. It can be given an AI name such as Recipe Builder and 5 goals that it has to meet. So wait, I will explain everything about how to install AutoGPT in your computer and how to use AutoGPT. Stay tuned for our future videos, where we'll delve deeper into innovative AutoGPT projects and much more. If you find our content helpful and want to join our thriving community of AI enthusiasts, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's dive into today's video and kickstart your AutoGPT mastery journey. First you go to python.org. And go to Download tab. Choose your platform. Select Latest Stable Releases Model and download now. And install in your local machine, and if you are already have to move next step. Next go to Git for Windows.org. And click Download tab and download. And install in your system. Next go to GitHub AutoGPT repository. Link available in the description. AutoGPT, an autonomous GPT for experiment. Always use stable, not master. Latest update demo April 16, 2023. Updated features. Internet access for searches and information gathering. Long-term and short-term memory management. GPT-4 instances for text generation. Access to popular websites and platforms. File storage and summarization with GPT 3.5. Requirements. You have any one code editor. Docker, optional. And Python 3.10 or later. Go to OpenAI and create account if you don't have account. Otherwise log in. And go to platform.openai.com. Go to Account tab, and select API key. Create new API key. Choose your name, example, AutoGPT. And copy your API key and save in your system. Next, go to Installation section. Make sure you have all the requirements listed above. If not, install/get them. Go to your system and create a new file and rename AutoGPT and save. Open AutoGPT. Go to File Directory and input CMD and open CLI. Go to GitHub repository and copy this command and paste in your CLI. Cloning this repository in your system. Close this tab. Open your new AutoGPT folder. Go to Folder Directory and reopen your CLI using command. Next, go to GitHub and copy this command and paste in your CLI. After installing all compulsory dependencies, go to your folder and edit your .env file. Change this file name and save .env file. Go to your text editor and edit your file. Paste your OpenAI API key here. Go to Pinecone and set your Pinecone API key here. Go to pinecone.io and create your account. After creating account, go to Dashboard and go API Keys tab and create new API key. Choose API key name. Copy your API key and paste in your code editor. Paste your key here. Copy your environment and paste in your file. After edit your .env file, go to your file directory and reopen your CLI using cmd command. Go to your GitHub page and move to Run command. And copy your command based upon your operating system. I use Windows, so I copy Windows command. And paste in my CLI. After complete all process, choose your AI name and AutoGPT name. For example, I enter a AutoGPT AI bot. But you choose any name based upon your requirement. AutoGPT AI bot. So you input here what AutoGPT can do. For example, as a demo, I use AutoGPT AI bot interested in latest AI news and content related to AI and Web3. And enter now. Enter your 5 goals. So your bot complete for you. Goal 1. Search top trending AI news and related content. Goal 2. Read related blog post and content. Goal 3. Analyze all content. Goal 4. Create new content. Goal 5. Create a blog.txt file and save new content. And enter now. AutoGPT use browser and search content. You always authorize using command. You see your bot read all content and start your task step by step. So you wait and authorize every time after complete your every goal. And your AutoGPT bot complete your all task. Analyze text length. And see all details here. In my next video, I will share you latest AutoGPT projects. So subscribe my channel and see next video. Alright, that wraps up our introduction to AutoGPT, covering the essentials of what it is and how to use it effectively. We hope you found this information helpful and are eager to explore more about the world of AutoGPT. Remember, we'll be sharing more videos on cutting-edge AutoGPT projects and other exciting topics in the future. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on our latest content, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining the AutoGPT Tutorial Channel community, you'll be the first to know about new AI-driven tools and innovations. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Until then, keep mastering AutoGPT.